I feel like those people. Have you ever seen those cartoons where you never see the parent's face? That's how I feel right now. ¿Qué onda, amigos? Welcome to the ink buildup. Today is going to be a quick video. It's about someone who asked me a question on one of my videos, asking me, do I have to flash after every color? And the answer I gave him was, it all depends. For example, when I'm about to do a print, I do two test samples. One is I print one color, I flash, I print the next color, and I flash, and then I do the final cure. Then I do another test print where I just print all the colors and flash at the end to do the final cure. And I compare them. If I see no big difference, then I won't flash between each color, because one, that takes a long, it's time consuming. And if you just print all the colors and you do it without flashing, it saves a lot of time. Especially with me, because I only have one station. I mean, if I had like a 4th station, I will probably be flashing after every color, because I'll print one color, I'll move the palette over to the flash, and I'll print the next one. But since I only have one palette, flashing after each color takes a long time. That's why I do the two test prints. And I'm going to show you guys right now on the one I did for my first simulated process print, because I still have the screens up here. I haven't had time to reclaim them. I haven't even had time to clean the screens because I've been real busy. So I decided to do this video using the screens since I already have them up here. So I'm going to do one where I'm just going to print, flash, and do the final cure. Then I'll do another one where just printing all the colors without any flashing between them, just so we can compare the difference between both of them. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to clean the ink that I left on the screens, because I'm pretty sure it kind of dried out. So if I print straight from that, probably I'll get some blockage. And normally I use gasoline, because that's the most thing I have access to. But today I'm not going to use it because I don't want the room to stink up today. And luckily I have this screen wash. I got this from an event I went to Mexico City. It was a screen print event and they gave me a free sample. I only have a little bit, but I'm going to use that today. I took it real hot because I have the flash dryer on. Oh, God. And yes, I know this is usually used when you're going to wash the ink off so you can reclaim it, but I'm going to use it just to clean some of the ink from the screen. Okay, so I'm going to put the ink and we're going to do our test prints. Okay, again, it's getting real hot because this flash dryer is in here. It's on, I mean. But anyways, I'm going to do my first print, which is going to be the print, flash. I'm going to flash after every color. Oh, I need a shirt first. There we go. Oh. Getting this flash behind me. Okay, I forgot to start the yellow. So I'm gonna flash it. Don't knock on my tripod. Green. Just to be clear, I have already burned my back with the flash since it's right behind me. That's a problem I face with having such a small room to do my printing. But anyways. I feel like those people. Have you ever seen those cartoons where you never see the parent's face? That's how I feel right now. Okay. Let's see if we can get a better look. Okay, here's the print after flashing after each color. And only the halftones look better than. Okay, now I do the second print where I just print every color and there's no flash between each color. Maybe it needs more black. Looks almost the same. Okay, so this is the test where I didn't do any flashing between the colors. And it looks okay. And here's the one where I did the flashing, where I did do the flashing between each color. And there is a difference. Well, for some reason, this yellow looks more bright, and this one looks more dark. I don't know what that will be. That's weird. I would assume that right here the yellow will be more brighter since it did dry, and right here it didn't dry, and it will mix with the colors, but for some reason that's brighter. Okay, so I'm going to do same test again, just to see maybe it was the way I printed this one. Let's flip this all the way around. Now normally I would usually do my prints where it just printing without any flashing between each color, because for me it's faster. And you'll see right now I'm going to do one. The first test I'm going to do is going to be no flashing, and the second one I'm going to do with flashing, just so you can see how fast, the big difference, just to see the time difference of each print. I'm not used to working on this side. Well, this time on the yellow I'm gonna print, flash, and print again, just to make the yellow more brighter. Start. Boom. Let it cool down. Maybe that's why the yellow didn't come out so dark. I mean, so bright on the first. So I'll skip that one. Just find a cure. Okay, this time they look literally the same. So I'm gonna give you a close up. I mean. Okay, so here's my second set of tests. This was just printing without flashing between the colors. And this was where I print, flash, print, flash, print. And by the looks of it, they really basically look identical. They basically look identical. You can't really tell the difference. Alright amigos, so I'm done doing my little small test prints. On the first test of prints, the one where I print and flash between each color, the yellow actually got dark, and the reason is because after I got done flashing, I didn't give it a chance to cool down, which you had to do that. That's what happened like that. And on my second set of prints, I did let it cool down, and basically it looks the same. I mean, this one was just flashing. This one was just printing without flashing between the colors, and this was with flashing between each color, and they look basically the same. So for me, I would have just done it print without flashing. One, because it'll be a lot faster, and anyways, you won't really tell the difference. There will be some cases where I will flash after between colors. For example, when I was doing the ink buildup, I actually had to do print, flash, print on the blue, which is not really necessary in a white shirt. But this ink, some weird ink where literally when I will print and do the final cure, it didn't look as bright. But when after I flash and did another coat on top of it, it came out better. There are also some times where I will flash between the colors, but most of my print jobs, I don't really do it. And again, it's up to you guys. Technically, it's not a rule that you have to flash between each color. It's all up to you. Like, for example, if like me, if you can't tell the difference, you don't really have to flash. Because if you saw how I was doing it, it takes a long time to flash between each color. And for small shirts, if you're doing like some 10 or 20 shirts, it's not a problem. But if you're going to do like 50 or 100, those little small extra seconds you're taking to flash each color, it adds up and takes a long time. But again, like I mentioned, if you have like a 4 palette or 6 palette, flash between each color probably will be a good option, because you could print one color, slide the palette, let that one flash. While that's flashing, you print the other color, and you turn it, and you let it flash. And the one that got flashed already, it's already cooling down by the time it gets to you and you do the second color. But if you have one station flashing after each color, it's going to take a long time, because you're only working with one shirt at a time. For in my case, if I did have a 4 palette, probably I will be flashing after each color, but I don't, so that's why I don't really do the flashing. Well, amigos, well, that's all for today's video. Just a quick video, something I came out with a while back, and finally decided to do it because I've been real busy. That's why I've been posting in a while. Been busy with work, and another thing is because I've been doing some little research, because I'm trying to think of a different type of, how we say, like side hustle, a way to make some extra money. So I will be doing that, and I'll let you guys know what that is on another video later on, when I actually have everything ready, because it's going to be kind of like a surprise for you guys. And you're probably thinking that you're going to try to make some extra money doing that, but for me, I think it's actually a good idea. It won't hurt me think of something to get some extra money in here, because I'm trying to, one, save up to invest in my screen printing shop, and also because I'm trying to save up because I want to go to this event in Mexico City, which is in August. It's a screen printing event. I went to it last year, but I didn't really get a chance to fully enjoy it because I got there at the last minute. But this year I'm going to plan the trip really good because I want to enjoy it. It's actually where I got the sample for that little screen cleaner. So yeah, so stay tuned for that video. So yeah, amigos. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, and like my Facebook page. And if you have any questions at all, you can leave them in the comments below or message me through any of the social media platforms. I'm totally open to answer any of the questions you have. But in the meantime, I'm out.